Meaning of dismissive.
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 Dismissive. Dismissive is an adjective used to describe someone who shows a lack of interest or respect towards something or someone. They may appear to be indifferent, unconcerned, or even contemptuous. When someone is being dismissive, they are typically disregarding the importance or value of the thing or person they are interacting with. A dismissive attitude can create a negative impact on relationships and can lead to feelings of frustration, anger, and hurt. It is important to communicate openly and respectfully to ensure that everyone's opinions and contributions are valued.